This is a high-end pre-built gaming desktop that sits firmly in the category of extreme performance machines, designed for users who want top-tier power without going through the process of building a custom PC. From the outside, it keeps things clean and minimal, but the real story is inside, where all the performance hardware is stacked together in a balanced and optimized way. At the heart of this system is a flagship-level Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor. This is the kind of CPU that does not just focus on gaming performance alone, but is built for heavy parallel workloads. That means whether the task is high frame rate gaming, streaming at the same time, editing large video projects, or running multiple demanding applications together, the system stays responsive and stable. It is designed for sustained performance rather than short bursts, which matters a lot in real-world usage. Supporting the processor is 64 gigabytes of system memory. This is far beyond standard gaming requirements and pushes the system into workstation territory. With this amount of RAM, multitasking becomes almost effortless. Large creative projects, multiple browser sessions, background applications, and modern AAA games can all run together without the system feeling overloaded. It also gives a strong level of future readiness, meaning the system will stay relevant as software demands continue to increase. Storage is handled by a 2 terabyte solid-state drive, which changes the day-to-day experience in a noticeable way. Boot times are extremely fast, applications open almost instantly, and game loading screens are significantly reduced. Having this much fast storage also means there is no constant need to manage or delete files, which is especially useful for gamers or creators who work with large datasets and installations. The design of the chassis follows a more professional and understated approach. Instead of aggressive styling or excessive RGB focus, it uses a clean storm gray finish that fits into both gaming setups and professional environments. This makes it versatile enough to sit on a gaming desk or in a workspace without looking out of place. The internal layout is built with airflow efficiency in mind, allowing the high-performance components to stay cool under heavy load. Cooling and thermal control are a critical part of any high-performance desktop, and this system is engineered to maintain stability during long sessions. Even when running demanding games or rendering tasks for extended periods, the cooling system helps prevent performance drops caused by overheating. This ensures consistent output rather than fluctuating performance, which is important for competitive gaming and professional workloads. In real gaming scenarios, the system delivers a very strong experience across modern titles. High graphics settings are handled comfortably, and frame rates remain stable in fast-paced environments. Whether it is open-world games with heavy visuals or competitive multiplayer titles where responsiveness matters more than anything, the system keeps performance smooth and consistent. When paired with a high refresh rate display, the difference becomes even more noticeable in terms of fluidity and input response. Beyond gaming, this machine is also positioned as a powerful content creation system. Video editing software runs smoothly even with high-resolution timelines. Rendering tasks are completed faster compared to mid-range systems, and multitasking between creative tools feels seamless. This makes it suitable for streamers, editors, designers, and professionals who need reliable computing power throughout the day. One of the strongest points of this setup is long-term usability. Instead of thinking about upgrades in the near future, this system is designed to handle upcoming software and gaming requirements for years. The combination of high-end CPU performance, large memory capacity, and fast storage creates a balanced platform that is not likely to become outdated quickly. This type of desktop is not aimed at casual users. It is built for people who want a complete performance solution that works immediately out of the box without tuning, assembling, or troubleshooting individual parts. Everything is already configured to work together as a stable and powerful system. Overall, this is a premium-level gaming and productivity machine that focuses on delivering consistent high performance across gaming, creative work, and multitasking environments without compromise. Product reference: Lenovo Legion T734 IAS 10 Gaming Desktop 90Y 6003 JUS.